Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to disable sound effect in Mini Militia Doodle Army 2. To turn off the sound effect in the game, and if you want to enjoy music-free experience, then first of all open up the Mini Militia app on your device. From the main home screen, tap the gear icon located at the top left corner and tap on General tab from the Settings menu. Now, you will see the Music and Sound option. Toggle off the button for Music and Sound effect and make sure that it looks like this. Once the button is turned off, you will then be able to disable background music and sound effects. And following these steps, you will be able to play Mini Militia without any in-game sounds. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Mini Militia tutorials. I'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.